Welcome students. I hope you are sound and safe at your places. So in our today's video, we are going to discuss about questions of exercise 10.3. So let's start with our question number 10, part A. What is the question? Question is, by splitting the following figures, means this kind of figures are given to us and we have to split that. But what is the condition? That into rectangles we have to split that. So we will split these figures in the form of rectangles, and then what we have to do? We have to find their areas. So we have to find the area of this figure. The sides are given and it's given that all the sides are in centimeters. So these all sides are in centimeters. So let's start splitting. If we join this, then this will become a rectangle. Let's name it rectangle 1. This side is 2, so your this side is also 2. This is 4, so your this side is also 4. So this is your first rectangle. So area of first rectangle is, area of rectangle is length into breadth. So that is 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 centimeter square. Now if you join this, then this will become your second rectangle. This one side is 4 and this is 2. So this complete will become 6. From this point to this point, the total length is 6. If this is 6, then the front side is also of 6. Now this complete is 3 and this much is 2. So this left part is 1. If this is 1, then in front of this it is also 1. So now your second rectangle is with length 6 and breadth 1. So area of second rectangle is 6 into 1, that is 6 centimeter square. Now if you join this, then this will become your third rectangle. How to find the side? This complete is 6. Up to here you are having 3. So this remaining one is also 3. If this is 3, then this is also 3. Now this we have to find. This complete is given as 3. This much is 1. So this remaining one is 2. This is 2. So in front part we are having 2. So this is your third rectangle. So area of third rectangle is 3 into 2, that is 6 centimeter square. Now this complete is 4. This much is 2. So remaining one is also 2. This much is 3. For this rectangle third, this much is 3. This is 1. So this total is of 3 plus 1, 4. This is 4. So in front also we have 4. This part is 2. So in front side we have 2. So this will become your fourth rectangle. So area of fourth rectangle is 4 into 2. That is 4 2s are 8 centimeter square. So we have divided into 4 rectangles and area we have found. Now for total what we have to do? For total we have to add all these. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 and 6, 20. 20 and 8, 28. Don't forget the unit, centimeter square. So this way we can find our area. Now let's discuss the part B. In part B, what we have, this way figure, it is given as 5, this is given 3, this is given 2, 1, 1, and this is given 3. So same in rectangles we have to divide, so we will join like this. Now this one will become your first rectangle, this one second, and this one third. Now move to the sides. This is 3, so this one is also 3. This is 1, so this is also 1. This is 3, so these are same, so this complete will also 3. If this is 3, then this is also 3. This is 1, so this also 1. Now this one is 3, so in front also we have 3. This total is 3 and this much is 2 given. So means this side will become 1 and in front of this it will also become 1. Now area of first 3 into 1, 3 unit is centimeter, so centimeter square. For second, sides are again 3 and 1. So area of second 3 into 1, that is also 3 centimeter square. Then area of third, that is also 3 into 1, 3 centimeter square. Total we have to find. So what we have to do for total? For total we have to add all the 3 areas. So 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 3, 9. So your total area is 9 centimeter square. So this way you can do your question number 10. Now let's move to the question number 11. Same figures are given to us. We have to split them in rectangles and find the area. So let's do part A. This way shape is given to us. This is 12, this is 10, this one is 8, this is also 10, this is 2 and this is also 2. So if we join this, then this will become our first rectangle, this one will become our second rectangle. This complete is 12, so this much is also of 12. This is 2, so in front also we are having 2. This complete is 10, this much is 2, so this remaining portion is of 8. This is 2, so in front of this one is also 2. So area of first rectangle, that is 12 and 2. So 12 into 2, that is 24 centimeter square. Area of second is 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16 centimeter square. For total we have to add. So 24 plus 16, that is 40 centimeter square. So this way you can find for your question number 11 part A. Now let's move to question number 11. Part B. So in same, there is a figure given to us. In same way we have to find the area. So let's discuss question number 11 part B. This way a symbol is given to us and all sides are 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Everywhere 7, 7, 7 we are having. So what we have to do? We have to split in rectangles. But as all sides are given and if we split here like this, then these will become squares and we want rectangle. So what we will do? If we join this, then this will become our first rectangle, this complete. for area of first rectangle. This complete length is 21 and breadth is 7. So 21 into 7 is 147 centimeter square. So this one we will find for first. Then 1 we have covered. Then if you join like this, then this will become all your rectangle. So name it as 2. Now this is 7. So this one is also of 7. Now 7 plus 7 plus 7. 3 7 we are having. So side is 21 and breadth is 7. So same area of rectangle 2 is 21 into 7. That is 147 centimeter square. Now total we have to find. So total we will do. So after adding this, 7 and 7 14, 1, 4 and 4 8 and 1 9, 1 and 1 2 centimeter square. This we have found, but there is a problem. When we count this way area, so this part we are having, and when you count in this way first, there also you are having this same part. So double counting we have done for this part. So what we have to do, if we reduce one time, then we will get the exact answer. So what we will do, we will find the area of this part which we have counted twice. So this side is 7, as this is 7, so 7, 7. This is 7, so this side is also 7 and 7. So now it will become a square. So what is the area of square? 7 into 7, side into side, and 7 into 7 is 49. So if we subtract this from total, then we have only one time. So let us subtract. 14, 4 minus 9 is not possible. So this will become 8. This will become 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 2 as it is centimeter square. So now our final answer, final area that we have to find is 247 centimeter square. Remember one thing, this you have counted double, so that you have to subtract one time. So this is part B. Let's move to part C of this. So in part C, we have like this. Here we have 5, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4 and 1. So if you join this, then this will become one rectangle, this will become second rectangle. Now this is 1, so this front part is also 1. This is 5, so in front we have 5. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, it is 5. So area of first rectangle, length into breadth, that is 5 centimeter square. Area of second rectangle, that is 4 into 1, 4 centimeter square. Total area we have to find. So for total we add 5 plus 4 is 9 centimeter square. So this way you can find areas. Now let's move to question number 12, A part I am telling. So what is the question? How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in the rectangular region? So there is a rectangular region whose length is 100 centimeter and breadth is 144 centimeter. Generally longer one we are having as length, but here it is given length is 100 and breadth is 144 centimeter respectively. So respectively means first one is length according to question and second one is breadth. And there we are having tiles, that is 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So he is saying how many tiles we need. So what we will do? First find area of floor or space, total space. So that is length into breadth. So that will become 144.00 centimeter square. Now what is area of tile? One tile. So that is again length into breadth. So 12 into 5. 12 into 5 is 60 centimeter square. Now number of tiles we have to find. So what we will do? We will divide total area by one tile because number of tiles we want. So 0 to 0 cut. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So 14 minus 12 is 2. 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 zeros are 0. So your answer is 240 tiles. So this way we can do our question number 12. That's it for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.